Alright guys, so I came across a particular website that talks about typing jobs, and the reviews about this website are very horrible. So in this video, I have made my research and I found vetted websites that you can start up doing typing job from the comfort of your home, and you're sure to get your payment provided you meet the criteria that I'm going to be mentioning in this video. So if you're looking to start up typing job, now you might want to check out this website. But first, I need to make you understand that typing jobs comes in different categories. There are people that are transcribers. These are people that take audio and video content and transform them into a text. And there are others that are into data entry. These are people that organize data in spreadsheets. Now, these people need to have attention to detail to be able to do their work because it requires repetitive pattern of doing the work. Another category of people are captioners. These are people that transcribe audio to text or video to text, but the thing is, it has to be paced with timing. So these are the categories that we have. We also have freelance writers, people that type out things that are being written. So these are the categories. So you should decide the one that you are interested in and go for it. So the first web company that we're going to mention that's going to pay you, that's already been vetted, is rev.com. Now this is very popular, although it is quite a little challenging to get into Rev because it has been around for a long time and a lot of people are already on board. However, if you're able to get in, you're going to stand a chance to get a lot of jobs because they are known to be a speech to text company that helps people to transcribe their audio or video files into text. Now they're going to pay you per audio or video minute on the website, and they usually pay you via PayPal at a weekly interval. Like every week you receive your payment from Rev. But you also need to know that before you get into Rev, you need to do some grammar tests and some tests to know your speed and your accuracy with doing some of these typing jobs, so they know the type of person they are hiring to come on board to do the job they need them to do. You're going to earn from 30 cents to $1 per audio minute on this website. And however, depending on your experience and what you can do, you can stand a chance to earn higher. And of course, depending on the type of file you're going to be transcribing, because files like medical and legal files are quite more expensive compared to other files that they may have on this platform. So you may check out rev.com. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section. So when you see the one you're interested in, don't fail to tell me. So the second one we're going to talk about is one that if you're interested in transcribing short form content that is audio or video files that are 2 to 4 minutes, you may be interested in this website. Now this platform offers part-time and full-time job. Depending on your availability to work, you can get part-time and full-time job on this platform. Another thing is that you must pass an entrance examination to be able to get into this platform to start working for them as a transcriber. Now you can stand a chance to earn from $15 to $22 per audio hour, which equates to $5 to $7.33 per hour. So you know some of these things, they are quite different. So this is what you stand to see when you sign up to this website, and the name of the website is Transcribe Me. So you might want to check it out. So the next company pays freelancers per audio or video minute, but you can choose from short or long-term projects depending on your preferences. They lay emphasis on typing fast and being accurate. So to get started, you can go and register with them on the website and pass the transcription test that require it to be 95% accurate. So you should take some time beforehand to prepare before you get to sign up with them on this platform. So if you know several languages, including English, you can earn more money working for them as a foreign subtitler or translator. So according to this company, you can make up to 60 cents per audio hour, which equates to $12 per hour. So the name of the company is Go Transcripts. You can also check it out and sign up with them. That is if it's something you're interested in. So another transcription platform that allows you to work as a freelance transcriber, reviewer, proofreader, or quality control specialist is Scribie. Scribie pays per audio minute, ranging from $5 to $20 per audio hour at the higher rate. They're not really for actual hour work. For example, 6-minute files would earn you anywhere from 50 cents to $2. This is a good option for freelancers who wants to start their career as transcriptionists or are interested in quality control. To get started, you must create an account to submit a test file. This company will then grade your test for certification. Additionally, to work for Scribie, you will need a laptop, a desktop or a computer, a good pair of headphones, and a verified PayPal account like I used to mention. So the name of the website is scribby.com. I'm also going to leave the link in the comment section where you can find them. According to Scribby, you can earn up to like $5 to $20 per audio hour, which equates to $1 to $6 per hour. So you know what to expect when you sign up with this website. So the next one is one I've mentioned before. It is one where you start to get small tasks and you start earning once you're able to get to do those tasks. Now, this website will pay you quite small compared to others, but you're sure to get tasks because they have varieties of tasks that you can do on the website, including transcription, subtitling, captioning, and stuff like that. You're going to find them on this website, and they don't really pay much. Like I mentioned earlier, you can earn up to like $1 to $10 per day, depending on how much you can do for them on the website. So to get started, you can register with them using your Amazon account, and then you register for Mechanical Turk. You also have a chance to get paid more if you participate in the premium qualification features that they have there on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So the name of the website is Amazon Mechanical Turk. So you might want to check it out. Another company you might consider is one that are usually data oriented and requires quick and accurate completion of the jobs that they are going to give to you as someone working for them. Now, it is good options for people willing to invest time in understanding the tasks and taking their time to do this task. Now, the interesting part about this platform is that you can actually use them even if you don't have a laptop. You can actually use your mobile phone to get started with this platform, and you can register, create an account, and start searching for tasks. There is no qualification test, so you can begin as soon as possible. That's another outstanding thing about this website compared to the previous one that I mentioned. Now, to get paid, you can get paid according to the website $5 to $9 per hour on the average. That is if you're available to do the job. And the name of this website is clickworker.com. You might also check it out. Now, before we continue with the remaining companies, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers. You guys have been amazing for supporting us. We really appreciate you. So the next one is more like an open job platform where you come in and search for job on different categories. Now you can find different type of jobs depending on your location, qualification, or what you want as an individual looking to start earning money. So you can look for remote typing jobs or transcription jobs, captioning jobs, all those varieties of typing jobs. You can look for them on this platform, and the name of the platform is Flex Jobs. To get started, you have to create an account with them, and they do have some subscription fee. So you know, so how much you can start to earn from this website varies, and it's not dependent on the website because what they do is they host jobs from different angles. So you can expect to find different prices of jobs depending on the person that it's advertising on this platform. So the next one is a very popular one, and it gives you freedom to decide whatever you want to do. And the website is Upwork. People come to these places to look for different services that they may be in need of, and you can register, sign up as a transcriber or a freelance writer or whatever it is you have in mind to sign up with, that can give you the avenue to do typing jobs for people, and you can get started doing the job for them. And the prices you can start to earn depends on what you can do. You can start up with $12 to $22 per hour depending on your speed, accuracy, and experience you have doing some of these jobs. So you can set up Upwork and start working as an independent contractor or a freelancer for people. So the next one is similar like the Upwork, and it's another place where you can sign up and get started. You can start up earning from $5 to $20 depending. You can sign up as a transcriptionist or a captioner, translator, or whatever it is that you're interested in. The name of the website is Fiverr.com. It's very popular as well. You can have the freedom to do whatever you want to do. You're not going to be asked to pay for anything, but you just have to make sure you're outstanding, do something different in terms of your profile and filling out your forms while creating your account so that you stand out from other people. The good thing about Fiverr and Upwork is that they are available worldwide. So you can stay in Africa, in Asia, wherever you are, you can still get jobs from people from all over the world. So if you prefer to use this, it's more like you building a business. That is what I would recommend for anyone. But just know that it's not easy while starting up, so you know where to get started. If you find this video helpful, don't fail to like, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers. We appreciate you for your support so far. We'll see you in the next video.